Hi, Megan here with Atlanta Business Video. Today I'm going to show you how to write a Google review. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to need to sign in to your Google account. Google does this to help reduce spam and black hat practices. Next, you're going to simply search for the business that you want to review. And there are two places that you can select to write the review. On the right here, you're going to see a summary of your search, and you can select write a review right here. Or you can go over to the Maps tab, and that's also going to show your search result via Maps, and the write a review is going to be right here. So we're going to select write a review, and here you can select the number of stars that you'd like. You can share the details of your experience. And you can also add a photo if you have any. And then you would simply click post. So if you have worked with Atlanta Business Video in the past, we would love to hear your experience. Please write us a review. It really does help, and we would truly appreciate it. I hope this was helpful, and thanks for watching.